No.
Okay, you see this right here?
Yep.
That didn't work.
It's trying to pull itself out.
This is not working.
Oh, okay.
Oh, I'm sure it's sideways. Oh no, that looked weird. I'm just gonna try this. Oh, there's the camera.
Needs to be able
Oh, I
to
found the
go
camera.
up here like this.
Wondering where that was.
Does it? Does it
that a
need to
penguin?
be all the way up here? Yes, it is.
Oh, I see a little flipper right here.
It does.
Oh, and the little feet. The little feet. The little feet.
So it's supposed to come down here, grab it, and push it like that.
I won't be able to do that all the way. See? Let's see. Pressure.
That's why it's tilted, so it can tilt back. But it's still having too much.
See?
Problem.
Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do
It
it.
has too much power. Have you guys opened the program on the computer?
No. What are we gonna do?
Let me think. I would say tilt it more, but then that would increase the chance of this just falling out.
Plus, if it starts from the top, it pushes the top part.
Yeah.
Yeah, it pushes the top part. And
But it
then,
needs to be able to get all the way up here to push it over. To be able to push it over. Like, it needs to go down here, but it needs to be able to come all the way up. Like this. It goes like this, and it lifts up, and it pushes.
doesn't it do that?
Well, it'll
Try
slip
it.
every now and again. It'll slip like that.
Try it.
Or try what?
Try to see if it goes like that, because I thought it did. It does do that, see?
Every now and then. Sometimes it'll. Right when it stops, it'll push it.
Need help? We'll get it someday. Someday, we'll get this.
Someday.
Stop it. What's the count right now? Oh wait, there's no count yet.
No, it's not done figuring it out yet.
Sorry, I forgot. Don't yell at me.
I will yell.
Oh, okay, hold on. Let me read this. First one. 46. 44.
And. Oh god.
51.
61.
This is
Where's
51.
that 51? Oh, yeah, that is. I'm blind.
Obviously. And I'm the one colorblind.
Yeah, but that's not in color.
I know. I'm just kidding. It looks green on here.
I almost just went.
No, it's a maggot.
It almost just derped itself over.
Oh. It's trying no.
Get back!
You know it's like 12 minutes and 51 seconds. I've been videotaping like this whole time.
It's alright. I can edit.
It's gonna take forever.
Okay, so we're missing a pushing because I saw one roll over there.
So I'm pushing over here?
Yep. Stop.
Let's look
Stop.
for it, ladies and
Nope.
gentlemen. Oh, found it.
I just
That was
told
easy.
you to stop. You must stop.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's not your fault.
My fingers look big. Look at that too. Take it easy.
Crap. It screwed itself out, bitch.
Ah! Oh, it's going. It's
Okay,
going.
yeah,
It's going. Oh.
Okay, it'll go and do that, and I'll solve this for you guys. Do something that the machine can literally not do. Or at least the machine
This amazing
can
thing
do.
right here. Just kidding.
Invisible cube.
This thing's amazing.
I mean, it's amazing that we got to be able to do that. But if we can get it to do it right, that'd be decent. Crap, 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 crap. Super slow.
Yeah, you get that white done.
I get it done once I get everything done. Quick.
Not even looking. Don't do that. You're scared. I'm just kidding. You're not scaring me. Go, 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 go,
I'm
go.
gonna beat the bot. I'm gonna beat the robot. And it's not even solving a cube.
It's at 17.
Yep, I'm definitely gonna beat it.
You good. Go with you. Go with you. Or should I use your code name? Alex. You messed it up. See what it does. We're at 9. Just let it do whatever it wants. It's done. Just let it do whatever it wants. Come on. Boop, ba-doop, 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 ba-doop. This take like 2 hours to, no, not 2 hours, like 30 minutes to do. This was easy to do. You broke it. Is it done? Oh no, we have 6. Oh, the wheel.
Get in there, you piece of poop. No, we lost a wheel.
Like it drives or anything. And there goes the brake.
Not the brake, it's the cube.
Oh, sorry, Mr. Smanchy Pants. What the f?
What a way to finish it. Yeah. This thing is so special.
Oops. Yeah, oh my god. Why is this thing so
God, it's
hard?
catching itself. Ow, God. Yep.
Oh, dude, look at this thing. Woo! Can I stop it now?
Just a second.
And I'm stopping. No, wait, no, let him solve this thing. Then I'll stop it. You could probably be like pros. I'd be your manager, okay?
What?
You can be like a pro Rubik's Cube solver. I'll be your manager.
For Rubik's Cube solver?
Yeah, I'll be your manager. Nope.
Not quite, but we've made some modifications to it that make
This
it
video's been
better.
going for like 17 minutes, so we tried it for like 30 times.
Stop these videos.
I want to watch this thing. Yeah, I'll put it on YouTube, and then some like professional guy will like. Okay, stop it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thanks, you got that.